We're looking here at 4 items that relate to Peru and South America, but also particularly aviation. Each one of these, this is a match book cover having to do with this Panagra airline for Peru. Here is a poster stamp for that same airline. This is a promotional brochure that shows the routes that they flew. And what's interesting is that within it are a pair of these folding strip type maps where someone has annotated a few minor notes about particular sites or places on the map. On the back of it here is some more of the country and the routes. There's Quito, Buenaventura, and so on. Up here is Panama. Then there's a second strip map within it, like so. Coming further down, Santiago, Chile, I believe. And then we see here, it goes like this, and there's across to Buenos Aires and Montevideo from Santiago, and like so. Someone has put, I think, the elevation in feet of some of these places. Then there's also this, published in 1933 in Lima, Peru. Look at that great aviation ad right there. The cover has been taped long ago. And this has within it this Lima, Peru food menu. Maybe it's, from a Grand Hotel Boulevard. That's where that's from. And this periodical here is loaded with these maps and images, black and white photographs, like so. It's a very interesting publication. And what's also very nice is there is this large folding map here, like so. Okay, it's the right here. This is for the area of the conflict between Peru and Colombia. Right here, 1928, 1930, and so on. Yes. And this assortment of items relating to Peru. Wow, that's a great ad. And aviation is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.